Hello and welcome. It's gillykube and I'm here in Queensland, Australia. I'm doing something a little different today. This is called an art board and it's like some kind of I don't know what you call what it's made of, but it's got like a shiny surface. So I'm going to do some sticky balloon kisses, art magic, in a different way. That is just water that I've got in that blue container, and I've sprayed the board and sprayed some paint directly, which I've just put on that board that I've got beside the bamboo board. So I'm just laying down the foundation for my sticky balloon kisses, but they're balloon kisses in a different way because they are they're not on poured art, so it works differently, and it's quite interesting and it's very addictive and it's lots and lots of fun, I find. So I will kind of just let you watch how it progresses and I'll jump in where I feel I need to. So this actually is very relaxing. I'm blowing up the balloon, ready for my sticky kisses, and I'm going to use the balloon in between my first and second finger. I hold the belly button, I call it, of the balloon, and then off we go. Absolutely love the sound of these sticky kisses on the board. It's so much fun. So you can do any shapes, layers, anything you choose. You can even do balloon slides, and there's all sorts, which I probably will do in the next video, but I wanted to make this a multi-dimensional project on this art board. The art boards are quite expensive, they're not cheap like canvases, so I will be trying it on a canvas to give you the option to see how they look on a canvas. But look how cool this is. Now the close-up looky see. Look at the detail that humble balloon gives in this particular kind of balloon kiss. I just want to show you the unbelievable effects you can get. That is so simple for any beginner that doesn't consider themselves an artist. What artistic effects you can get from that simple technique. So couldn't be anything simpler, but I want to add some colour to this, and I mean that actually resined would absolutely pop your socks off. It's just a fantastic easy technique that creates incredible effects. So good for photos too, to recreate on print. Next step, let's go. So next thing, I mean, I could very well leave it this monochrome. It's basically just one colour, but I'm thinking that I'm going to add a bit of colour in each sort of over the sides. So I'm using the PBO paint in a fluorescent green and a fluorescent blue. That is just water in that container. So I'm just, as you've seen, just spraying the paint so as it'll soften and mix for me, enough for me to use the balloon. And silly Jilly got it caught in the blue a bit, but that's not a problem. It'll probably add a bit of a nice effect. So I'm just going over some of the areas just to add not a deep colour to those areas, but just, you know, shade in it. So there you go. Watch, watch, watch. So yes, it is very effective and it's very different, and there is probably lots of things I will explore with just this certain technique. I originally seen this technique off a Russian lady called Alina Miracle, and I paid for the course which she offers. I think it's about $100. I'm not sure, but I can't recently find her on YouTube, maybe because of the war between Russia and Ukraine. So it's, yeah, that's where I originally seen this technique and did the course, maybe about 2 years ago now. So, but it's so simple really when you think about it. That anybody can do it. That's why I think it is a wonderful, wonderful technique for beginners to do, because if you do that and end up with this lovely piece of art and either varnish it or resin it to make it pop, you're really quite pleased with yourself because you never considered yourself an artist, but there you go. And remember, art is subjective, and some people like abstract and some people don't. But you know what? It's not about that particularly for me. It's about the joy and peace that it gives me when I'm creating and I'm in my art room just enjoying the process, good or bad. So hope you are enjoying this little piece of something different. Well, there you go. Just added those ribbons to give it a more three-dimensional look, which I believe it achieves. So happy with this. Really hope you enjoyed this fun and something different. So I will say bye for now, my lovely people, and I will see you tomorrow.